Welcome, guys. So I will be sharing with you what I got from a superstore, cosmetics, and some face care things. So follow through. The prices will be dropped on the screen as I show you each and every one of them. So that's the price list, the invoice of all I got, and this is it. So I will be bringing them one by one while I place the prices of each so thing. First on our list is the facial mask. There are different varieties. I got the honey facial mask, I got a Muyan facial mask, and I also got a Muyan vitamin C serum facial mask. I also got the eyes mask. Yes, guys, so that's it on the screen. I will be placing the price of each of them on the screen. So that's it, guys, for the facial mask. So we're moving on to the next one, which is the Dove soap. So this is the first time I'll be using this, although I've seen positive feedbacks on it. This one is a face cleanser, baby face facial cleanser. That's the amount on the screen. Then the next one should be the baby wipes. Yes, guys, this is to make makeup removals easy, and for that purpose, I guess. Then the next one should be, I believe you should be seeing the prices on the screen. The next one is the eyeshadow brushes, and yeah, that's it. The prices, I think I got one, I got each of them 1,000 naira. That's 42, making it 2,000 naira. Both of them have different purpose here. One is for eye blending and one is for eye shadow. Then the next one should be the lip gloss. I love this particular one because I was told that if you apply it on your lips, it gets to it's more like a magic lipstick or lip gloss for the lips. It changes to pink. So this is me trying to apply and see how the magic is going to happen if it eventually turns out. So you can be the judge in the comment section. So I got this for I think 1.5, yes, but I really like it. It's very smooth. It's lovely, guys. Trust me. I don't know if you've tried something like this before. If you have, do well to tell in the comment section. So I got this for 1.5. I think it's called 3Q Beauty. Yes, guys, it is an amazing one. Then I believe the next one should be the mascara. Yes, guys, that's it on the screen. It's been a while I applied one, so I saw it and I was like, well, let's give it a try. I'm not really a fan of the artificial eyelashes, but well, never say never. But for now, I haven't tried that out, so I kind of prefer this one for a start. So this is it. I will be placing the price on the screen. I really don't know what happened. I think I was about applying it, but I changed my mind. I said, better be careful before I make a mistake. Or yeah, so guys, that's it. The next one will be a bronzer. Yes, I believe we all know what a bronzer is. It's I don't know how to classify it, but it gives this glittering look. It also makes the face probably when you apply makeup, makes it a bit bold. Yes, guys, so this is the one I got. There are different shades, so I got this one in particular. The price will be on the screen as well. This is me trying to see if at all the magic lipstick is working. So the next on our screen, guys, should be a spoolie brush, guys. Spoolie brush or spooky brush. Yes, this is for the what's it called, eyebrow. Yes, to brush the eyebrow. I think I got this for about 100 naira. Yes, it's very little. It's very tiny. It's small. How do I classify this? That's just how it just like feather. Yeah, so the next one should be I got my nails here. I got two nails, two different shades of nails. The one I can repaint, and the other one that has the design already. Then the next one will be a cuticle. Yeah, I got this for my fingernails. What else should be on the screen? I think yeah, cotton pad, guys. This one is 80 in number, like 80 pieces. Yes, this is not just like the other cotton wool. Yeah, so this one it comes in how do I put it, in pads, if I'm to call it that. So okay, this is me trying to show you guys how it looks. It's really nice. This is what I'll be using with the facial cleanser, you know, to clean off the face. Yeah, this is how it is. Really nice, really comfy. I think I got this for about how how much is it? The price will be on the screen most definitely. So guys, the next one, yeah, that's the combination for the facial cleanser. The next one is the face powder. I got this for I think about 4,000 naira. This is classic makeup press. Guys, trust me, I've tried this already and I loved it. Like, I loved it. It's perfectly my color, perfectly my shade. I got the medium light. At first I was confused, but guys, trust me, I enjoy this one. Oh, I'm enjoying it. Then the next should be, yeah, the concealer. I got a concealer. I've forgotten how much I got this. So I had to ask for help. So they gave me this shade and said it's mine. So I went for that one. I think I got this for about 2.5, right? I think that's the price, but the correct price will be on the screen. So that's how it looks. There are different types of concealers. There are the ones that are even more expensive than this one. The next one, guys, will be, I saw this and I was like, okay, what's this? And I was told it's for the face, most especially for ladies that use scrub. Yes, this helps in washing it properly on the face instead of using your sponge and all. So it's just like a face sponge, if I'm to call it that. But trust me, guys, it's pure silicone, right? So the next on the screen, my favorite, guys, the eyeshadow. I guess that's why my face got lit up a bit. The eyeshadow, yes, guys, although I didn't get the particular shade I want, but I love it. At least there are dark shades in it, and I really don't like something being too shouty. So that's it, guys. It's really amazing. I got this for I think 3,000 naira, or yeah, the price will be on the screen. So that's all, guys. This me showing you guys empty leather and also displaying the invoice. Trust me, guys, this was a lot, but I'm glad I did it. Yeah, most times you just have to do some things, right? So you can as well start again to take note of each prices. You can the prices may differ. Yes, you can go to a particular store and it might be lesser or it might be more. So guys, this is me saying that's it. I don't know if please be the judge of this particular lipstick or lip gloss, if it did change to pink or not. So that's all, guys. Kindly like, comment, share, and as well click the subscribe button. Bye, guys.